Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a phone number in Roblox. First, go to Roblox and make sure you are logged into your Roblox account on the platform. Click on More to expand additional settings. Locate and click on Settings to access your account settings. Within the Settings menu, find and select Account Info. Look for the option to add a phone number. This is where you will input your phone number for verification and security purposes. Alternatively, you can add a phone number through another method. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Roblox login page. Enter your username, email address associated with your Roblox account, and your password. If prompted, you can choose to use another device for verification. Follow the instructions to scan the QR code provided. This method is useful for quick verification. After scanning the QR code, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code on the Roblox login page. Click on Confirm Login to proceed. Once logged in, click on the Settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Navigate to the Settings menu and find the option to add a phone number. Enter your phone number in the provided field. Follow any additional prompts to verify your phone number. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.